Are you shopping for life insurance? If so, you've probably asked yourself these questions. How much do I need? Who do I buy it from? What type of policy do I buy? What company do I buy it from? Should I sit with an agent or just buy it online? So many questions that go unanswered and that frustrate folks and put a halt to their shopping life insurance. So what I want to do today is cover 5 simple tips that will help you maybe make the road less bumpy for you as you shop for life insurance. First tip, understand what you need. So before you start shopping life insurance, sit down with your family and go over what you actually need. Life insurance can cover many things that most people aren't aware of. Life insurance can pay off a mortgage. Life insurance can pay off automobiles. Life insurance can also help with college funding. It can also help with retirement planning. There are lots of things that life insurance can do. So it's good to sit down and write out a list of things that you would like to have your life insurance do for you or your family. The second thing is determine how much you need. Most folks, they really don't know how much they need. Simple math, if you want to take your annual income, multiply it times 5 or 8, that's a good number to start with. Although I do suggest sitting down and going over everything in your household. So there are several ways to come up with that dollar amount. But I always recommend, yes, you can go and pull up online calculators, but I always recommend sitting with an agent. So that way they can walk you through the process or the analysis of what you actually need, what will actually work for your family. Third thing, find the policy that's right for you. So there's several policies out there. Most of you guys know term. Term insurance is a temporary policy. It's good anywhere from 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. So you'll pay the policy for that amount of time. After that, it expires. Those are very affordable, but again, they're only a temporary policy. Second is more of a permanent policy that would offer a cash value, like a whole life policy. Fourth thing, look at the quality of the provider. This is so important. There's so many insurance companies out there, so many insurance agents out there. Make sure you sit with somebody you trust. Make sure you're sitting down with somebody who understands your need, who listens to you versus just tells you what you need. Make sure the company that you're going with that's underwriting the policy can back the policy for as long as you need it. It's important to make sure that you know who you're doing business with. Last tip, number 5, make sure you consult an agent. Me. Yes, sitting down with an agent is by far the best thing you can do. You can do this all online. You can go to the online calculators. You could even get quotes online, but I highly recommend that you sit down with a qualified agent, someone with experience, someone who knows what they're talking about, who can tell you the difference between the types of policies that are out there, that can sit down and customize a life insurance policy for you that meets your needs and not theirs. I hope that helped. Hey, before you hop off, be sure to like this video if the tips were helpful. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and stay in the loop.